Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Yes, here. It's here for easy. Obi wo from the very first time, 10 subscribers, just 10 subscribers. We did chia, and then nyamiadum. You drew 100,000 subscribers. It's here for easy. Easy. Now, you see, I want people to understand this feat. Now, me da will be biase. Now, I said that the but me person Crawford say, dear yeah, we a appreciation broadcast. I may Amagana for one more support channel way. One more your WhatsApp group. No, the last time I checked, now I am about MCCC. Administrators no say in sticking to the rules of the group no they've been forced to remove some people from the group because of violating rules no but still I think CC space kakra bim very limited space into person join your WhatsApp group now link no our description box ni mo o click here obe join the WhatsApp group no na yeah now young concept so hey the na make me say yes. I want to search something. The biggest stadium in the world. The biggest stadium in the world. Me check it. The biggest stadium in the world. The capacity. The biggest stadium in the world capacity. Out 100,000. In fact, over 100,000. That is a for 100,000. Now stadium needing Rongrado Stadium, minti di ne krada, but any football stadium, say cricket nisa nyamano. Now, over 100,000 subscribers. Akwa yes, a stadium, so stadium, the biggest stadium in the world. Sisi a Melodies TV, sana akwa said the biggest stadium in the world nipa egumuma. That's the number of subscribers we are having here. Over 100,000 subscribers. Just say. The year no nipa bako at least 100,000 and no money je ho digital representations and ye beka no and wo money je the year ho anu hunti wo mo asubscribe etie for me da wo bibia ase ye da wo bibia ase e family. And you see interesting thing about 100 was that if you ask won say bibi like bibi pabi eba wenimu a eya na eto de bia woko nsohwem sisi a na edu 100,000 subscribers no na ansa na ebedu 100,000 subscribers unim de si ye Ghana ni bia wo abrochire efrem edi matem mi nim de ntia wo di matem mi nim boni amaye no ofrem no odi matem ye no kate ye wanka de ntia wo di matem nti ne ba ko ne di matem ye na mesre ye na me ka se o de ma me nkwa check subscribers no because na you were 9.9. Now you were 9.9, but you do 100,000. So me ko check ye no na for you do 100,000. I'm saying ebia na 100,000 subscribers in chia and na nepa ku wo pesa wo de ma minti a wo frame ye di matem. But ni na aseda. Ghana for omo a video bi bia mo be comment wa ase oh me bubodin and then me bubodin. Oba your WhatsApp group na omo a wo mo very vibrant ewom and then they mebubodin especially me WhatsApp administrators no ejuma wo mo bono enye easy WhatsApp no de eyedin sometimes member WhatsApp group team no over 4,000 messages 5,000 messages and me no ka se kra wo hwe me WhatsApp chatting kwa 129 na just ngro for 129 na send me message but enye ni na me to me read. It sounds like you did your number out from one intino, a young uncle for sending your message, but a new be hadn't able to me ready. A nipa bako jumana me yan a sano. I just say be a pet team be now for ye yes I am not a quite fast, but it is in the process. But me do be biase. Obi aba subscribe to channel where me do be biase. All my administrators in the Melodies group no. WhatsApp group no all the administrators maybe bubodin Alimatu medawase pa eye administrator yima wonso medawase bra yima medawase eye bra prince kusi boaten wonso medawase pa also oya administrator wo group ni mu hajia say hajia onso ya administrator wo group ni medawase pa bra Paul was a very big person ewo group ni mu onso administrator say ono cry one of the very first administrators am select here onso ya ade pa brother Sam onso ya administrator wo group ni mu wa ya ade ya onso ya administrator wo group ni mu wa ya ade Francis Kobna onso administrator nti won say administrators no omodoso because ejuma na wo group ni na doso administrators mi do bibia ase obi a wo tie mi do bibia ase ya Melodies group ni mu nso a group na ngasa no WhatsApp Emma Quine for only about what show obi a ye YouTube ye over 100,000 subscribers na WhatsApp group fa only about 257 obviously unim say be ma ntenda me no ka say group ni de send your messages ba wom no enye easy but say aside all no still space e wom mo person mo join the group no a lot of people in the group edin make us me boa over 200 names in the group Darlington Rashid mambodi am hye mo fa nche me go Fred Phil B just obi a wo group ni mu bia Michael just say Bless Drew Listowell obi a wo group ni mu bia Kitos Dora Kinji just say obi a wakasa wo group ni na ebi mo de won kasa wo group ni tie na de administrators na your margin say sisia no esanse nkrofo pese join group ni mo no se won kasa wo group ni mo a e wo say you film na obi a wo be take part no ye de na ebe to group no but the group is very fun almost every single day topic e wo ho a Ghana fo ye share tre ya adwen e wo topic ni so nkrofo advice on issues about politics and so awa wonim politics nkrofo ye no more e wo group ni mu Samsam wo group ni mu Tamise wo group ni mu Nana Safo just say group na bi mu din kra minhu Ebo Prof just say mambo din afacha me Justice Mensa Evans Kufuor Lady D Omanhene John Dubate Tishiako Manuel na John Ras OJ just say Ebenezer Damenyo KKD Felix Echampon just a group no there mesremo group no there mambo obiadin a mo fancha me because enye obia na me hu ni din send Anchorfodos wo group ni mu ni Bonte Joseph Wood ACN Yefro be the president Van Dam Mauli Nana Kwame Yaya Mohammed Simple Yakub Efo Green Rich Dudia Fad Chese Bill Maiga Promise Grace Akoto P Nino Brown God is God Josh Life is Precious Ngrofudi na mebo sa group dimo Mary Ewuku Wasti Kobe Junior asemo Humble Servants Young Pills Wasip just wo bia nkrofo bebre wo ho a wo mutie mi nso wo mo join group no because enye obi a no pesa ade no me kra me te he group ya me be create here every single day na me nya notification say me phone memory ayema me te he kra ya ka tell me say me phone memory ayema because of group no wo be bem na over 500 messages audios edidemu sa itema de bia me phone yema but ni na eye ejuma ni hunti odo aye wo ema Ghana ene Ghana for enu hunti ene yesa nti enye obia na group no obetumi like because enye obia no pese de bia no na message ni we nti no I understand so there are a lot more people who are subscribed who are I mean hardcore fans but are not in the group munso yedamo ase enye by force enkrofo bebre na ya me wo ho nso akrofo bebre na frɛ me asɛm o mo kan Melody so de me di we chi ache wo de me te say obi a wo be frɛ me bia ka se wo di me chi ache bia mambo wo din fa che me obi a ondi ye chinche ya wo join na sisi akra no nso yeda ase se wa ba be ka ye ho yeda mu ni na ase 100,000 subscribers etifo enye easy sa enyo obia enetumi nya 100,000 subscribers. I think say the biggest YouTube channel in Ghana is Wodemaya. I stand to be corrected, but I think the biggest Ghanaian owned YouTube channel in Ghana is Wodemaya. Now Wodemaya was the biggest Ghanaian owned YouTube channel in Ghana. No, we share the subscribers are 500,000. Into will be on the YouTube channel ye kesiye wa Ghana pa 500,000. Na yen dear I think say 100,000. I don't know for Kofi TV because they don't show, but maybe a Kofi TV so be around that area. But so far Wodemaya our 500,000. Into obia the YouTube channel so wa Ghana pa 500,000. Na ye do 100,000. Out to me who say yes. Ye nsheda anye bad sir because the biggest is 500,000 and we are at 100,000. What you say? Into we ye dear 5 just say yen so yen nkola sa what you say? Into ye do be biase. Oh, everyone wishing us well. Obi a cancel melodies by next year dear. Ni do 200,000 ni nyama ye damuni na say a empire. Now me say me can the story behind this whole YouTube thing we want to say a nyankopon. It's a story for another day because frankly the shots here this year I didn't have any hope say ebia naka YouTube by ebia at the end of the year naka YouTube no ebe do 100,000 subscribers. Yes, I didn't have any hope say naka ebia ebe do 100,000 subscribers. Ni e posti kra na enkrofo ntie but ni na no omo a wo mo share yen kran yen kran omo ade bi omo share ye videos nso ye videos just say ye da wo bi biase me da wo bi biase wo bia wa boa yen bia no me da wo bi biase ye da wo bi biase nti no mo ntra mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase.